Students will continue with exercise 13.2. In that seventh question, the inner diameter of a circular well is 3.5 meter. It is 10 meter deep. Find its inner curved surface area. Second sub question, the cost of plastering the curved surface area at the rate of rupees 40 per meter square. See, there is a circular well and they have given the inner dimension of the circular well. What is that? So circular well is the diameter is 3.5 meter. What is the diameter? This is 3.5 meter. Okay, next it is 10 meter deep, and what is the height? Height is 10 meter. Fine. Then what they have given, see, so they asked us, this is the given data. So this is a circular well and it is in the form of a cylinder. So we need to find its inner curved surface area. You know, see what we know. So diameter is given, it is 3.5 meter. Then radius will be equal to 3.5 divided by 2 meter. So then height is given, that is equal to 10 meter. So we need to find the first one, inner curved surface area of a well. Inner curved surface area of a well is equal to what we can write? We can write, see, this is 2 pi RH. 2 pi RH. This is the formula to find the inner curved surface area of any cylinder. So the well is in the shape of cylinder. So we are going to make use of curved surface area of a cylinder. Okay. So pi value they are not given. What we need to assume? We need to assume it as 22 by 7. So 2 into 22 by 7. So R is 3.5 divided by 2 into height is H. That is 10 meter. Okay. Now what we can do? See. So 2 divided by 22 into 7 divided by 3.5. 3.5 into multiplied by 10 is 35 by 2. We should be careful while simplifying because we need to look at the number and we need to look at the factors of that particular number. See, 35 is a multiple of 7. So that is the reason I didn't divide 3.5 divided by 2. So what I did, I retained as it is because it is 7 multiple. So my calculation, my simplification will become easier. 7 manja, 7 5 2 will get cancelled. So this is 110 meter, that is meter square. Okay. So the curved surface area of the well is 110 meter square, and the cost of plastering the curved surface area at the rate of 40 per meter square. So how many meter square we have? We have 110 meter square. So we need to find the cost for plastering the surface 110 meter square. So what we need to write? Second one, the cost of plastering the curved surface area. At rupees 40 per meter square is equal to what we can write it. So that is 110 is the curved surface area. So per meter square it is 40. Per 110 meter square it is 110 into 40, that is 4,400 rupees. So this is the cost of plastering the curved surface area at the rate of 40 per meter square. So please note this down. So ninth question. So what does it states? Find the lateral curved surface area of a closed cylindrical petrol storage tank that is 4.2 meter in diameter and 4.5 meter in height. That is 4.5 meter high. How much steel? This is the first question. We need to find the curved surface, only curved surface area of a closed cylindrical storage tank. Then second question, how much steel was actually used if 1/12 of the steel actually used was wasted in making the tank? Okay. So first we will look at the first problem. See, if it is a closed cylindrical tank means it will be closed from the both the ends. The top and the bottom surface will be closed. So we'll talk about it later. First, what is given? It is 4.2 meter in diameter. So again 4.2 meter is 4.2 is multiple of 7. So in pi we have 7 in the denominator. So we should retain as it is. Okay. How you will retain? I'll explain you. Then what is the height? Height is 4.5 meter. Okay. It's 4.5 meter. This is 4.2 meter. Okay. Now, so the first part, diameter is equal to 4.2 meter. Then R is equal to 4.2 divided by 2 meter. Then height is equal to 4.5 meter. What is the first part of the question? So we need to find the lateral curved surface area of a closed cylindrical tank. So curved surface area of a closed cylindrical tank, CSA of closed is lateral or curved. We use that word, lateral or curved. The CSA of closed cylindrical petrol storage tank is equal to, what is the formula? 2 pi RH. So 2 into pi means 22 by 7. What is R? R is nothing but 4.2 divided by 2. What is that? That is 4.5 meter. Okay. 7 ones are. So this 4.5 can be written as 9 by 2. So 7 ones are 7.6. So these two will get cancelled. 2 ones are 2 11s are. 11 into 0.6 is nothing but 6.6 multiplied by 9. 9 6 are 54, 5 carry. 9 6 are 54 plus 5, 59. So that is 59.4 meter square. 59.4 meter square. This is the first part of the problem. Then second part, how much steel was actually used? If 1/12 of the steel actually used was wasted in making the tank. First what we'll do, we'll find the total surface area of the cylindrical tank. After that, we'll frame an equation. Okay. So why we are considering total surface area? Because usually the petrol tank will be closed from the both the ends. So that is the reason we need to cover the curved surface area, as well as we need to include top and bottom surfaces. Okay. So the total surface area of a tank is equal to 2 pi r into r plus h. This is the formula. Fine. So 2 into 22 by 7 into, what is r? R is nothing but 4.2 divided by 2 into, again 4.2 divided by 2 plus 4.5. Fine. Now these two will get cancelled. 7 1 ja 7.6. Okay. Now I'll continue here. So 6 2s are 12, carry 1. 6 2s are 12 plus 1 13, that is 13.2 into 2 1s are 2, 2.1. Okay. 4 plus 2 6, 6.6. Okay. I'll continue here. 13.2 into 6.6. Okay. 13.2 into 6.6. 6 2s are 12, carry 1, 6 3s are 18 plus 1, 19. 6 1 is 6, 6 plus 1, 792, 792, 2, 11, 17, that is 87.12. 87. So what we can write? I'll continue here. 13.2 into 6.6 is nothing but 87.12 meter square. So this is the total surface area of a cylindrical tank. Now, so let x meter square be the actual area of the metal, actual area of the steel used. Then what we can write? See, x into 1 minus 1/12 is wasted. 1/12 is wasted while manufacturing this particular tank. So 1 minus 1/12 is equal to this 87.12. Why? Because see, this is the total surface area. In actual surface area, multiplied by, if you in the actual surface area, if you remove 1/12, you will get the total surface area. So actually, sorry, not actual surface area, in actual metal. See, this was the actual metal supposed to be used, but in that 1/12 is wasted. Then we are going to get this particular tank. So that is the reason we arrived at this particular equation. So x into 1 minus, why 1 minus 1/12? Because 1/12 of the metal is wasted while manufacturing. So what we can write? X into, I hope you understood why 1 minus 1/12. Because x is the actual metal used. But to arrive at this value, 1/12 of the metal is wasted. That is the reason we arrived at this particular equation. So x into 12 is the LCM. So 12 ones are 12. 12 minus 1 divided by 12, that is 87.12. So x into 11/12 into 87.12, or else x is equal to 12 divided. So if you transfer it to the right hand side, you will get the reciprocal of it. 12 into 11, 12 by 11 into 87.12. So odd position, 2 plus 7, 9, 1 plus 8, 9, 11 multiple. 11 ones are 11, 11 sevens are 77, 10 left, 101, 7 nines are 99, 2 left, 22, 7 twos are 22. Okay, 12 twos are 24, 2 carry, 12 nines are 108 plus 2, 110, 10 carry, 12 sevens are 84 plus 10, 94. That is, the answer is 94.04 meter square. So how much steel was actually used? Therefore, the actual, what we need to write, what should be our conclusion statement? The amount of steel actually used was is equal to 94.04 meter square. Hope you understood. This is your final answer. Okay, so please note this down. So what I am picking? So I am picking the question which are bit twisted. The other part which I have left, that will be your homework, and you need to practice those questions. Okay, so if you have any difficulty, however, you are going to come to the school. I am going to help you with those particular questions. Okay, please note this down. So 10th question. In figure, you see the frame of a lampshade. It is to be covered with a decorative cloth. It is to be covered with a decorative cloth. The frame has a base diameter of 20 centimeter. Diameter is 20 centimeter. 20 centimeter. And height is 30 centimeter. Height is 30 centimeter. 30 centimeter. And a margin of 2.5 centimeter is to be given, that extra margin needs to be given for folding it over the top and bottom of the frame. So for folding it over the top and bottom, they need extra 2.5 centimeter. Means if you take, we need extra space. So this extra space above and bottom, top and bottom is to be given for extra folding. That is extra folding. What, how much it is required? 2.5 centimeter at the top as well as at the bottom. Okay. See, 2.5 centimeter, a margin of 2.5 centimeter is to be given for folding it over the top and bottom of the frame. It is to, so to cover the bottom and margin, to cover the margin, extra how much is required? Extra 2.5 centimeter is required even at the top and bottom. Okay. Now what we need to calculate, we need to find how much cloth is required for covering the lampshade. So what you are going to do, so we are not going to cover the entire top and bottom surface. Okay, a margin, so we have to consider it in the form of height. What we need to do, we need to find the, so whenever you are going to cover, you are going to, so this lampshade, we are going to cover the curved surface area in this case. So that how we are going to cover, see, the cover is required for the curved surface area, then the cloth required would be equal to curved surface area of this particular cylinder. Okay, so solution, so height h is equal to how much? 30 plus 2.5, that is 35 centimeter, and the radius is equal, diameter is equal to 20 centimeter, which is, and r is equal to 20 by 2, which is equal to 10 centimeter. Then okay, what we need to do, we need to find this. Therefore the cloth required for covering the lampshade, the cloth required for covering the lampshade is equal to 2 pi RH. See, we are going to make use of the curved surface area of a cylinder. Same 2 pi RH, which is equal to 2 into 22 divided by 7. 2 into 22 divided by 7. What is R? R is 10 centimeter. What is height? Height is 35 centimeter. Okay. 7 1s are 7 5s are. Fine. 2 5s are 10. 10 multiplied by, okay, 2 5s are 10. 10 into 10, 100. 100 into 22, that is 2200 centimeter square. This much area of the cloth, this much cloth is required. This much cloth is required to cover the entire lampshade. Okay. So please note this down. So whichever the problem that I have left, that will be a homework. This concludes exercise 13.2. In the next video, we are going to cover exercise 13.3. So these all the problems are very important. In 10th standard, you have one of the major chapter, the same surface area and volume. So these will serve as the basics. Okay, please note this down.